Welcome to CARZ Trends. Today, we're diving into one of Ferrari's most stylish and versatile Grand Tourers, the Ferrari California. A car that blends Ferrari's racing DNA with everyday usability, making it one of the most unique models in the brand's history. Imagine a Ferrari that offers exhilarating performance, stunning design, and the ability to enjoy open-top driving at the push of a button. That's exactly what the Ferrari California delivers, making it a dream car for enthusiasts who crave both speed and sophistication. From the moment you set eyes on the California, its elegant yet aggressive styling stands out. Designed with smooth, flowing lines and an aerodynamically sculpted body, this Grand Tourer balances luxury and sportiness. The long hood, wide stance, and signature Ferrari grille exude presence, while the retractable hardtop seamlessly transforms it from a coupe to a convertible in just 14 seconds. Whether the top is up or down, the California remains a stunning masterpiece. Under the hood, the Ferrari California packs serious power. The original 2008 model featured a 4.3-liter naturally aspirated V8, producing 453 horsepower and 358 pound-feet of torque. This allowed it to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds. In 2014, Ferrari introduced the California T, replacing the naturally aspirated V8 with a twin-turbocharged 3.9-liter V8, boosting output to 553 horsepower and 557 pound-feet of torque. This upgrade not only improved acceleration but also made the California T more fuel-efficient while delivering the thrilling Ferrari experience. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that perfectly blends comfort with performance. The interior features premium leather upholstery, handcrafted details, and a driver-focused cockpit. The seats offer excellent support for spirited driving, yet remain comfortable for long-distance journeys. The California was designed as a 2+2, meaning it has rear seats, though they're best suited for small passengers or extra storage. Technology in the Ferrari California is designed to enhance both performance and convenience. The infotainment system includes a touchscreen interface with navigation and media controls. Ferrari's advanced driving dynamics, including the F1 traction control system and a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, ensure precise handling and lightning-fast gear shifts. The adaptive suspension provides a comfortable ride in normal driving conditions while stiffening up for spirited performance. Unlike many Ferraris that are purely track-focused, the California was built with versatility in mind. The retractable hardtop makes it usable in all weather conditions, while a decent-sized trunk offers enough space for weekend getaways. The comfortable ride and improved fuel efficiency make it one of the most practical Ferraris ever made, appealing to both hardcore enthusiasts and those looking for a more refined grand touring experience. The Ferrari California holds a special place in the brand's lineup. It introduced a new segment for Ferrari, an everyday grand tourer with a balance of comfort and performance. While it was eventually succeeded by the Portofino, the California remains an iconic model for those who desire a Ferrari with both power and practicality. Thank you for tuning in to CARZ Trends. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Ferrari California, be sure to hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more car content. Your support helps us bring you the latest and greatest from the world of cars.